are 4 things you need to grow your 4C hair faster. Number 1, you need hair routine. I'm surprised that a lot of people don't even have hair routine, and all they say is, oh, I want my hair to grow, I want my hair to this and that, and you don't have hair care routine. You need to have hair care routine. You need to know, oh, will I hydrate? When will I hydrate my hair? When will I do a protein treatment? When am I supposed to do a deep conditioning? Whatever routine that you want to stick to, it's fine. Just make sure that you have one that you will use consistent, and you will be consistent. Number 2, choose your products carefully. Don't just go and use hair care product just because everybody is using it. Don't just use products just because somebody recommended it. Do your research. Pick your product carefully. Oh, you have to use rosemary oil and all of that before your hair can grow. Don't just bombard your hair with product. It is very important to choose your product carefully. When you do that, you know exactly what you're doing. You know exactly what the products you are using will do with your hair. You know exactly, like, even if it is DIY, even if it's all the recipes and all of that, make sure that this exact thing that I'm using, this is the exact thing it will do for my hair. It will go a long way because you know what you are doing. You are not just following the crowd. You know exactly what you're doing. Number 3 is to prioritize protective hairstyle, especially in the beginning when you are I wanted to say in the beginning so in the beginning when you are just trying to grow your hair. You want to make sure that you prioritize protective hairstyles. What is protective hairstyle? Protective hairstyles are just hairstyle that does not put a lot of strain on your scalp and does not involve a lot of manipulations. That is basically what protective hairstyle is. Like, forget about the English. You don't want to do hairstyles that, like, if you are just starting, like, you want to, let me just begin to grow my hair. You want to avoid a lot of manipulations. You want to avoid a lot of hairstyles that will be so hard, strong, and you have to go from one process to another. You just want to do hairstyles that are simple. Basically, let me even give you this very, 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 very hot tip. You want to also thread your hair. I know threading can be painful a little bit, but it depends on the hairstylist you're working with, such that when they thread your hair is not like, you're not looking like this. Like, you are comfortable. You can do whatever you want. If you want videos on protective hairstyles, I've made a lot of shorts on different protective hairstyles that you can do. You can check them out. So make sure that you prioritize protective hairstyles. And the 4th thing, which is going to be my last point, is you need to be consistent. You need to love your hair, and you need to be patient. Like, I get it. I understand the fact that when we are doing things, we want results. We want things to happen fast. It's okay, but when it comes to your hair, you want to calm down. You want to, be consistent with your routine, product use, and protective hairstyles. When you are consistent and you love your hair, and when you love your hair, actually, even if you are not seeing results like immediately, because you love your hair, you want to invest more into it. You want to, put more energy into it. That is when you will see results. Be patient, be consistent, and love your hair. So let me repeat the 4 points that I have said. Number 1 is you want to have a hair care routine. Number 2, choose your products carefully. Number 3, prioritize protective hairstyles. And number 4, love your hair, be consistent, and be patient. If you love this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe and comment, and you can also buy me a coffee. There's a link in the description. I will surely see you in my next one. Thank you for watching.